1985 Chevrolet K10. Actually, it's a High Sierra cab, but either way, the heater box is the same. Getting the box out isn't too bad, but what I want to go over is actually getting all of this disassembled so you can remove the heater core itself. So after you remove all these screws here, these two guys here, all these little screws come out. It's all relatively easy. That's all done with a 1/4-inch drive. Mine is all original, so it still has this nice little seal right here. Up under these, you can see the light through it, are tiny screws. Yeah, that right there, that little space that you can see down there. They're tiny screws that hold in this upper box. Then, after you remove the upper box, you gotta get this rod out. In order to get this rod out, you gotta kind of twist. You might have to hold the inner flap in here, but you just kind of twist, give it a pull. You might have to use a flathead screwdriver, is what I had to do it with originally. Pull, and it slides right out. After that slides out, this guy will move freely. There's only one other piece you have to take off, and it's in here. The reason why you have to remove that is because you got to separate this box, and inside this box, if you can see that screw, that's a 5/16. I use a 5/16 nut driver. That guy's out. Now, whenever you're lifting up, you have to have this articulated right. You do not try to remove this rod. The whole thing opens up. Yeah. Access to your heater core. Yeah. As you can see, mine's been leaking for a little bit. I apologize about all the background noise. I work in the shop. But that is how you get the upper box off. I hope this helps. I didn't find any videos on YouTube that actually had this disassembly here. So yeah, to get the heater core out, that screw there, same screw on the other side, one screw here, and your whole heater core will come out, and you can stab in your new one. And assembly is just the reverse process of that. Actually relatively simple once you understand how it all comes together. And then we'll put it back in Bessie. Yay.